Okay, tourist, if you want to visit the St. Martin and if you want to take a ferry and want to visit a next island, nearest island, you have to come this side also of the front side. That's a main market. Okay, and that's a ferry section. You have to take the ferry from here, from the St.Barth. You can see that a lot of people are here. This is the information for Anguilla. You can see the departure from Anguilla, departure from St. Martin. There are times. That's a ferry. That's the same is for St.Barth. We all are waiting for the